Cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency meaning and definition. Cryptocurrency, sometimes called cryptocurrency or crypto, is any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and use cryptography to secure transaction. Cryptocurrencies don't have a central issuing and regulating quality. Instead, using a decentralization system to record transaction and issue new units. Check this, guys. This is the best definition of cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? This is the answer. What is cryptocurrency? Now I will show you all details about crypto, how to invest in crypto, how to withdraw, how to deposit, everything you will know. Must subscribe my channel for more details. So this is the second definition. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that doesn't rely on bank to verify transactions. It's a peer-to-peer system that can enable anyone anywhere to send and receive payments instead of being physical money carried around and exchanged in the real world. Cryptocurrency payment exists purely as digital enters to an online database describing specific transaction. When you transfer cryptocurrency funds, the transactions are recorded in a public ledger. Cryptocurrency is stored in digital wallets. Cryptocurrency receives its name because it's used in encryption to verify transaction. This means advanced coding is involved. How does cryptocurrency works? Cryptocurrencies run on distributed public ledger called blockchain. A record of all transactions updated and held by currency holders. Units of cryptocurrency are created through a process called mining, which involves using computer power to solve complicated mathematical problems that generate coins. User can also buy the currencies from brokers, then store or spend them using cryptocurrency wallets. If you own cryptocurrency, you don't own anything tangible. What you own is a key that allows you to move a record or a unit or measure from one person to another without a trusted third party. This is the best definition of cryptocurrency. How to invest in crypto? Crypto is the best online platform for make money. So let's start, guys, with a next step. How to buy cryptocurrency, how to invest in cryptocurrency, how to deposit in cryptocurrency, how to withdraw in cryptocurrency. Now all details. You may be wondering how to buy cryptocurrency safely. There are typically 3 steps involved. These are: step 1, choosing a platform. The first step is deciding which platform to use. Generally, you can choose between a transaction broker, a dedicated cryptocurrency exchange. Traditional brokers, these are online brokers who offer way to buy and sell cryptocurrency as well as other financial assets like stock, bonds and ETFs. These platforms tend to offer lower trading costs but favor crypto features. Second option is cryptocurrency exchange. These are many cryptocurrency exchanges to choose from, each offering different. So guys, this is the best time to invest in crypto. When comparing different platforms, again which cryptocurrency are on offer, what fees they charge, their security features, storage and withdraw option, and any educational resources. Step 2, funding your account. Once you have chose your platform, the next step is to fund your account. You can be in trading. Most crypto exchange allowed user to. So let's check this, guys. This is the best information about cryptocurrency, because if you miss this, it's a big problem for you guys. And most cryptocurrency exchange allowed user to purchase crypto using fiat government issues currencies such as the US dollar, the British pound, or the euro using their debit or credit cards. Although these various by platform, crypto purchase with credit cards are considered risky, or some exchange don't support them. Some credit card companies doesn't allow crypto transaction either. This is because cryptocurrency are highly volatile and it is not advisable to risk going into debit. Guys, this is the best time to invest in crypto, so you must check this, guys.